Namaste, students. Students, uh, online class. I introduce the multiples and factors. So we have already finished get set go concept. Then today, uh, one that chapter is multiples and factors. So multiple factors you have already learned in the fourth standard. Just to recall the concept. Then I will go for the LCM and HCF concept. Okay, so here same the concept is, so some different concept you have to learn. So in the divisible test, so in the last fourth standard only 6 divisible tests are there, so we have learned up to 11 or 12 up to learn here in that. Okay, so goes on, it is will be increasing up, part of the fourth standard. Okay, so now just look at that, what is meant by multiples and factors. Then first we have understand multiples, what are the multiples, and then factors. Okay, so then look back to the multiples. Multiples is a number. Multiple is a number that is a product of two given numbers, that is a product of two given numbers. To get the multiples of given number, so we have to multiply two given numbers. Okay, so multiple is a number, it is a product of two given numbers. So to get the multiples of given number should be multiplied, what should be multiplied, should be multiplied by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to continuous numbers. Multiples are unlimited, multiples are unlimited. Okay, so multiples is a product of two given numbers. To get the multiples of given number, so this is the given number, it should be multiplied by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 will be increasing. Okay, up to uncountable numbers we have to multiply, we get the products, that products we can call it as multiples. Now write the multiples of 5. Now we write the multiples of 5. 5 on the 5. First I will multiply 1. 5 on the 5. Next 5 to the 10. 2 multiply to the given this number. Next 3 multiply 15. 4. 5 for the 20. Next 6. Sorry, 25. 25. Next 6. 30. Next 35. Next 40. 45. 50. Okay, 55. 11 5 the 55, 12 5 the 60. Okay, 65. So it will be increasing, goes on increasing, goes on increasing. Multiples are unlimited, these are the multiples of 5. Okay, so we look at that. Multiple is a number, it is a one number, these are the numbers, is a product of two given number. Product of given numbers means the number have, the product is having two numbers. 5 into 1, 5 and the 5. 5 to the 10, 2. Here 5 into 2, here 5 into 3, here 5 into 4, here 5 into 5, here 5 into 6. Multiplying should be, it should be multiplied by 1 2 3 4. So it will be increasing, goes on increasing, that we get the products, that is called as multiples. I hope all of you understand. Next, write the first four multiples of 17. Write the first four, only four multiples. 4 1 2 3 4 only. First four multiples. Which number? 17. 17, the first four multiples of 17. 17 on the 17. Next, 2 multiply. 7 to the 34. 7 3 the 51. 7 4 the 78. Is asking only 4. Write the first 4. 1 2 3 4 over. Multiples of 17. Book numbers multiples of 17. Next, third one question. Write the first 6 multiples of 10. Write the first 6 multiples of 10. Okay, multiples of 10 up to how many? 6 we have to write it. 10 1 the 10, 10 2 the 20, 10 3 the 30, 10 4 the 40, 10 5 the 50, 10 6 the 60. It will be over. So this is a multiples concept. I hope all of you understand. Multiples is a number that is a product of two given numbers. Okay, to get the multiples of a given given number that should be multiplied by 1 2 3 4 5, that we get multiples. This is the multiples concept. Next I will go for the factors. Okay, now factors. Factors means, what is between factors? Okay, factors are the numbers. Factors are the numbers. They are limited. Keep it in mind. Factors are numbers. Those are limited. Which exactly divide any given number. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ, given numberನ completely divide ಮಾಡಂಗಿರ್ತವೆ. Okay, that is called as factors. Factors means factors are the numbers which exactly completely zero. The remainder will be totally zero. Okay, which exactly divide any given number. The remainder is completely zero. That type of numbers are called as factors. Okay, so keep that in mind. One is a factor of every number. So remember the concept. One is a factor of every number. Itself is a greatest number of the factor. Itself is a greatest number of the factor. ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you have already in the 4th standard you have to learn. Okay, so 1 can be divided 12. So just one example. 1, 2 can be divided. 2 how much is 16? 2 how much is 12? 2 6 is 12. 2 and 6 can be divided completely 12. Next 3, 3 how much is 12? 3 4 the 12. Next go for 12. So how many factors of 12? 1 2 6 3 4 12. Totally 4. So here 12 is the biggest number of the factor in the 12. So it is a biggest factor. So it is a 12 is a itself number is a bigger. Keep that mind. Okay, so now factors are limited. Factors are limited only. Okay, ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ factors ಗಳು. Okay, multiples are unlimited. Okay, factors are unlimited. Which number we have to multiply, we get the more number of multiples will be get. Okay, so now 215. So in the previous 4th standard you have understand for divisibility test 5. Divisibility test 5 means 0 or 5 is there, it is divisible by 5 in the last ones place. Okay, so here 1 can be divided, 5 can be divided. 5 how much is 215? Check it here. 215 how much is 215? 5 5 for the 20. Okay, now 1 5 5 3 the 15 0 0. Okay, 543 the 215. Next 215 itself number can be divided. Next which number can be divided? Number 3. No, 3 cannot be divided because 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8. No, not can be divided. Next 15. No. Okay, it is enough. So 215 5 40 15. So 5 1 5 43 215. These are the factors of 215. Now I will go for 300. How many factors of 300? Check it. 300 factors. 1 2 how much is 100? 2 how much the 2 150 the 300. Next 3 300 the 300. Next 4 4 475 the, yes, 475 the 300. Next 5, yes, 560 the 560 the 300. Next 7, okay, 6, yes, 650 the, yes, 650 the 6 can be divided 650 the. Next 650 the. Next 7 cannot divide. 9 cannot divide. 10, okay, 10 how much 300? 10 30 the 100. 10 30 the 100. Next 15, yes, 15 already. 15 15 20 the 300. 15 20 the 300. Okay, next 150 over. Next 300 is enough. Itself number is can be divided. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 factors. Totally 16 factors. Okay, So like this, you have to find out that Guruji, how to find out the factor? It can be using for the division. Guruji, ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? 1 2 3 1 by 1 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. So even numbers can be divided 2, exactly divided by 2. Okay, so now, so I will go for 524. 24, it is a 524, it is 1 2. How much of 524? Check it. 524 for 2, 2 to the 4, 1, 12 for 2 6 is 12, 0 0. Next 4, 2 2 to the 4, 0. Next 2 262 the 2 262 the next to 24 4 can be divided. Yes, 4 how much sir? Let me check. 3 cannot be divided because 5 to the 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4 11. It cannot be divided 3. 4 4 1 the 4 1 12 4 3 the 12. Next 0 4 4 1 the 4 131. 4 131 1 the 4 131 1 the next 5. Now divide 6. 6 cannot divide. Next to 8. Uh, 8 8 the 60. No, not cannot divide. 11. No, 10. No. So it is enough. 524 enough. Totally, these are the factors of. So let me divide. So using the division rules, we have to find out the factors. Find out the factors. So look at that. Factors means factors are the numbers which exactly divide any given number. Any given number. This is the factors. Okay. Now I will go for numbers. So even numbers, odd numbers, conjugative even numbers, conjugative prime, conjugative odd numbers, even numbers, then prime number and composite number. Okay, let me go for numbers. Students, look at that. Conjugative even numbers. What is meant by conjugative even numbers? Even numbers you know already. Even numbers means 0 2 4 6 8 in these digits in one's place, or these digits in one's place, that numbers are called as even numbers. 0 2 4 6 8. Okay, so what is meant by conjugative even numbers? Okay, so look at that. Any two even numbers differ from two. Any two even numbers which differ from one another by one number in a number divide subtract. Differ means difference. Differ means difference from one another by two. A number difference ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? The answer is difference is called conjugative even numbers. That is called as even numbers. Conjugative even numbers means any two even numbers. Take the even numbers. Okay, 14 and 16. Conjugative even numbers which differ from 16 minus 14 equals to 2. So these are the conjugative even numbers. These are the conjugative. But even numbers andre yavu? Just 16, 20, 28, so 30. So these are the even numbers. But conjugative even numbers we should write any two even numbers which differ from one another by 2. So one another by 2 are called as conjugative even numbers. So we should write. So conjugative even numbers. I will write the conjugative even numbers between. So just I will write the 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Next, I will write 22, 24, 26. So these are the even numbers also. We can write, we should differ from 2. So any two even numbers which differ from one another by 2 are called conjugative even numbers. So take the one example. Write one example. Okay. Write the conjugative even numbers. Conjugative even numbers between numbers between 20 to 40. So 20 ಮತ್ತು 40 ನಡುವೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಟ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ we should write it. Answer. So we should write 20, 22, 24, 26, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. It is enough. So these are the consecutive even numbers. Okay. Now I will go for the same. The concept is, but here even numbers, here odd numbers. Any two odd numbers which differ from one another by one another by two are called as consecutive odd numbers. Okay, we should write consecutive odd numbers. 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. These are the consecutive even numbers. So we should write the example, taken one example. So these are the consecutive even numbers. Write the consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. Odd numbers between 50 to 70. 50 to 70. So we should write that consecutive even numbers, consecutive odd numbers: 51, 53, 57, 59, 61, 63, 67, sorry, 65, 67, 69. These are the consecutive odd numbers which differ from 2. So this is called as consecutive odd numbers, consecutive even numbers. Now I will go for prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, just I would like to go for prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, now what is meant by prime number? Prime number means the numbers having only two factors. Only two factors. Numbers, that numbers are called as prime numbers. ಆ numbers ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಒಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ದೋಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ prime numbers. Prime numbers means the numbers having only two factors. Only two factors, one and itself. One is nor either neither prime or composite. ಅದು ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್ 0 and 1 are no composite, no prime number. Okay, so now what are the prime numbers are there? So in the previous 4th standard you have learned up to 100. Okay, what are the prime numbers? Examples: 2. 2 is a prime number. It is a even prime number. It is a only even prime number. Keep in that mind. Okay, 3, 5, 7, 9. It is not there. 9 is not a. It is a composite number. It is having more than two factors. Okay, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. 23 and 29. So these are the prime numbers. So I should write up to 100. So okay, 29. Next, 31, 37. Okay, next 41, 41, 43, 47, 53. Next, 59, 61, 60, 61, 67. Next, 71, 73. Okay, 79, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79. Next, 83. 87 is not there. 87 can be divided. Okay, 89, 89. Then 97. So totally how many prime numbers in 1 to 100? 2, 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25, totally 25 prime numbers 1 to 100. Okay, these are the 1 to 100 prime numbers. Okay, so already introduced in the first standard, these are the prime numbers. Okay, now so it is 97, 9 101 it is a prime number, 107 is a prime number, 103 is also a prime number. So these are the prime numbers. So complete that. So 101 is a prime number, 107 is a prime number, 103 is also a prime number. Keep that mind. Okay, so you have to write four times prime numbers. Okay, today your homework is two or three times prime numbers. I will give the exercise also. Two or three times you should write in the prime numbers. So these are the prime only two factors, only two factors in this type of numbers. These are the prime numbers. Now I will go for composite numbers, the numbers having more than two factors. Leave the numbers, prime numbers, those numbers are called as composite number. The numbers having more than two factors, more than two factors are called as composite number. Composite number start from 4. So look at that. Composite number start from 4. 4. Next, 6, 8, 9. 9 is also composite number. 9 is a composite number. 3, 3 the 9, 3, 1 the 3. Okay, 3, nice. 9. Next, 10, 12, 14, 15. Next, 16. Next, 18, 20. Okay, etc. So look at that. So 9 is the least odd even composite number. So least odd composite number. This is the least odd composite number. 9 is the least odd composite number. Okay. So look at that. It start from 4. Composite number start from 4. They having more than two factors. I hope all of you understand. Today's even prime numbers. You should two or three times you have to practice in the prime numbers. Okay. Now I will go for factors, the prime factorization, and then two, three factors of how to write the factors. Just I will go for. Then I will finish the class, today's class. Okay. Your exercise 4A, the second main is there. First main, second main, first main you have already done, first and second. First you have to do. Second, third main you also. Fourth main yours. Okay, first to third to fourth. Okay, fifth one you express the prime factorization. You know, in previous four standard you have already learned. So one or two examples I will show. Remaining problems you have to do it. Okay. So look at that. Express as the product of three factors. Express as the product of three factors. I'll ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ number three factors in the complete. You have to multiply three factors. We have get the answer. So just I will look at that. So here 12 is there. 12 first we have to find out the two factors first. 3 into 4. 3 into 4. So 3 it is a prime number. We cannot take the factors. 3 is a prime number. We cannot take the factor. 4 is a composite number. We can take the factors. How many factors? 2 into 2. So 3 factors. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. So we get 12. Same. Okay. So first two factors and then it is composite number having that has to be number also. I can take on the factors. So it is a 3 express as a product of three factors. This is a number express the three factors. Express the three factors. Guruji 4 gashta tagಬೇಕು 3 ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ? 3 it is a prime number. 3 we cannot take the only factors are 1 and itself only. Composite numbers we can take only factors. Now 70. 70 equals to what? 70 we should write. Okay, 70. 70. 10 7 the 70. Is it right? 10 7 the 70. Okay. 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. 10 is a composite number. 10 having factors 2, 5 the 10 into 7. 2 into 5 into 7. I hope all of you understand. Okay. So next 75. 75. Okay. 25 3 the 75. 25 3 the 75. So 3 is a prime number. We cannot take the factors. 25. How many factors? 5 5 the 25. 5 5 the 25. We should write 5 into 5 into 3. Okay, Guruji, sometimes no factors are there. So how to express the factors? So Guruji, 10 is there. 10 is 2 into 5 only. How to express the three factors? So 1 into 2 into 5. Sometimes it is not there. Okay, we can express three factors. Sometimes ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೇ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 42. 42 42 7 into 6, is it right? 7 6 of 42. 7 is a prime number, we cannot take the factors. 6 2 into 3, 2 3 the 6, 6 7 the 42. So 2 3 factors over. 7 into 2 into 3. Next 120. 120. Okay, so 120 12 10 the, or we should write 12 10 the, or it is we should write okay 12 10 the, no problem. Okay, okay, next one. So 12 into 10 has to be factors. ಇದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 2 into 5. Okay, so we should write 12 into 5 into 5 into 2. Okay, 385. 385. So 385, 5 can be divided. Check it. Factors I don't know. 5 5 is 7 35. 3 35. Yes. 5 7 35. 0 0. Okay, so 77 into 5. 77 into 5. 77 can be factors. 77 is a prime number. So 77 is a composite number. So 11 into 7 into 5. Is it right? 11 7 the 77, 77 to 5 the 385. 11 into 7 into 5. Okay, so these are the three factors I have to done. Second mine. So remaining third fourth mine. I have to solve two examples. I have to solve prime factors. Express as a product of prime factors. Express. So last one, express as the product of prime factors. That is a last one. Okay, it is a fifth one. Okay, I will take a 154 prime numbers. 54 can be taken. 54 54. So 54, it is a even number. 2 can be divided. So 2. So 5 is there. So first number 2 to the 4. 1 remaining. 14. 2 7 the 14. Next. So 3 can be divided. 3 9 the 27. 3 3 the 9. So 3 3 the 9. So what are the prime factors? So 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So same do it. Let me finish for the prime factors. Next one, second one, 216. 216. Let me divide. 216. So it is even number. 2 can be divided. 2 1 the 2. So let me take an 1 2 0 the 0. 2 8 the 16. Let me check. 216 can be divided to 216. 2 2 1 the 2. 0. Next 1 2 0 the 0. Let me after that 6. 2 8 the 16. 16. Next can be divided 3. 3 3 the 9. 3 6 the 18. 3 6 the 18. 3 3 the 9. 1 remaining. 18. 3 6 the 18. Next. Okay, 3 1 the 3. 3 2 the 6. Next 3. 3 4 the 12. 2 2 the 3 to the 12. So now taken the prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many 3? 4. Sorry. 2 is Okay, so this is the prime factors. Okay, now I will complete the exercise 4a. I hope you have to do first main, third main, fourth main. Okay, you have to do in the HW work, and then prime numbers you have to practice it two or three times. You have to practice it, and then prime factoration you have to today practice. Okay, I have to solve A1 and D1 already solved. So remaining B1, C1 you have to do it. Okay, tomorrow I will explain the prime factoration once again. Okay, don't worry. Okay, today's what is concept, I hope all of you understand, except one prime factoration. Okay, next class I will take the prime factoration classes, prime factoration live classes I will take it, no problem. Okay, after that I will go for the divisibility test. Okay, then our students, thank you so much.